Looking for a torch lighter that combines power, safety, and style? Whether it's for culinary adventures, DIY projects, or outdoor activities, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best torch lighters you need to check out in 2025. Number 5 on our list is the Tbteek torch lighter. The Tbteek torch lighter is a versatile and durable tool designed to meet a wide range of culinary and DIY needs. Crafted from sturdy aluminum alloy, this torch combines strength with ergonomic design, offering a comfortable grip while keeping your hand safely away from the flame. A built-in safety lock adds an extra layer of security by preventing accidental ignition, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced users. Compact and portable, the Tbteek torch lighter is easy to carry and use anywhere. It is refillable and comes with 3 butane adapters, ensuring compatibility with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzles. This feature allows for continuous use without interruption, making it ideal for frequent tasks. The torch provides precise flame control, reaching temperatures up to 1371 degrees Celsius, 2500 Fahrenheit. This high heat output makes it suitable for a variety of applications, from caramelizing creme brulee and finishing baked dishes to soldering jewelry, bar cocktails, BBQs, camping, and creative DIY projects. Its piezo ignition technology and continuous flame mode simplify operation. A press of the ignition button combined with a clockwise rotation allows the flame to stay lit without constant pressure. Tbteek supports its products with a 1-year replacement warranty and responsive customer service. Users can rely on professional support and guidance whenever needed, making this torch a dependable addition to any kitchen or workshop. With its combination of portability, safety, and high-performance functionality, the Tbteek torch lighter is designed to meet the demands of culinary enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Its adaptability and ease of use ensure that it can handle precise tasks as well as more robust projects, making it a practical tool for everyday and specialized applications. Number 4 is the Zoocura torch lighter. The Zoocura Torch Lighter 2025 model brings a powerful and efficient solution for everyday and outdoor ignition needs. Equipped with a single jet flame capable of reaching 2800 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides a concentrated and fuel-efficient burn, outperforming multi-jet alternatives. Its smooth single-action ignition button allows effortless operation with just one hand, offering full control over the flame's start and stop. Designed with portability in mind, the lighter's high-strength, heat-resistant ABS case fits comfortably in the palm, measuring 3.1 by 2.2 by 0.8 and weighing only 0.14 pounds, making it convenient to carry or store in a pocket. The 90-degree curved neck enhances safety during continuous use, preventing finger burns, while 2 strategically placed nozzle holes accelerate oxygen intake for a fuller, more efficient burn and quicker cooling. The visible gas window ensures that users can monitor fuel levels at a glance, eliminating concerns about unexpected outages. Flame size can be easily adjusted via a large wheel at the bottom, and the lighter is fully refillable following simple instructions, making it a long-lasting tool. The Zoocura torch lighter is versatile, suitable for grilling, lighting candles, BBQs, or camping trips. Packaged as a 2-pack in an attractive box, it also makes for a thoughtful gift for friends, fathers, or partners. With its combination of safety, portability, and high performance, this torch lighter is a reliable companion for both practical and recreational use. Coming in at number 3 is the Topkay torch lighter. The Topkay torch lighter is a versatile and powerful tool designed for both everyday and outdoor use. Featuring a triple jet flame, this windproof butane lighter delivers a strong and concentrated flame that performs reliably even in challenging windy conditions. Its high-quality construction ensures durability, with a copper nozzle supporting continuous flame use and a ceramic port paired with cooling holes to dissipate heat effectively, protecting the lighter from damage caused by high temperatures. Equipped with a visible fuel tank, the lighter allows users to easily monitor the 3.6-gram butane capacity, ensuring timely refills and uninterrupted use. Flame height can be adjusted with a large manual wheel, while a safety cap provides additional security during handling. The Topkay torch lighter produces a 2300-degree F flame, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from lighting candles, fireworks, and grills to outdoor activities such as camping and hiking. Its functionality extends to working at any angle, including upside down, offering flexibility in various situations. Presented in an elegant gift box, this torch lighter makes an ideal present for occasions like Christmas, New Year, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, and birthdays. Its combination of power, safety, and convenience positions it as a reliable companion for both home and outdoor enthusiasts, blending performance and thoughtful design in a compact and easy-to-use package. Number 2 is the Tomolo torch lighter. The Tomolo torch lighter is a meticulously crafted tool designed for those who appreciate both style and functionality. Its durable construction features a robust zinc alloy top paired with a high-quality ABS plastic body, giving it a sleek, textured finish that stands out from ordinary lighters. This combination ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable companion for regular use. A standout feature of the Tomolo torch lighter is its fully transparent fuel tank, allowing you to easily monitor the butane level at a glance. This thoughtful design ensures you're never caught off guard and can always keep your lighter ready for use. Equipped with powerful triple jet flames, the lighter provides a strong, wind-resistant ignition that makes lighting cigars effortless. The consistent flame delivers precision and reliability whether you are enjoying a fine cigar at home or using it in outdoor settings. Beyond cigars, this lighter serves multiple purposes, from lighting cigarettes to kitchen use and outdoor adventures, demonstrating versatility for a variety of situations. For safety reasons, the lighter is sold without butane, giving you the freedom to refill it as needed. Its design and functionality are complemented by its presentation in an exquisite gift box, making it an excellent choice for special occasions such as Christmas, New Year, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, birthdays, and more. Combining durability, practicality, and elegance, the Tomolo torch lighter is more than just a tool. It's a statement piece that enhances everyday experiences, whether at home, on the go, or as a thoughtful gift for someone special. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Sondiko Butane torch lighter. The Sondiko Butane torch lighter is a versatile and reliable tool designed for both culinary and creative tasks. Its thoughtful design allows for effortless one-handed operation, featuring a flame regulator and a convenient flame lock button with an easy reach of your thumb. This ensures precise control over the flame without needing a second hand, making it ideal for intricate kitchen tasks or detailed DIY projects. Equipped with a transparent fuel gauge at the bottom, the torch makes it simple to monitor fuel levels. The max line helps prevent overfilling, while the 10-gram gas capacity provides 20 to 50 minutes of continuous use per refill. Refueling is straightforward, as the torch is compatible with all brands of small butane tanks. It can be refilled directly or with the included red adapter for tanks with longer nozzles. The Sondiko torch's multi-purpose functionality extends beyond the kitchen. It is perfect for baking, sous vide cooking, searing meats, and BBQs. Additionally, it proves handy for crafting, jewelry making, soldering, and even outdoor activities like camping. The torch utilizes piezo ignition technology, allowing it to function at any angle, and offers an adjustable temperature regulator for complete flame control. With a flame temperature reaching up to 1300 Celsius and a continuous flame mode, this torch provides consistent performance for a wide range of tasks. Whether you are a culinary enthusiast or a hobbyist in need of a precise heat source, the Sondiko Butane torchlighter combines durability, convenience, and high performance in a compact, easy-to-use design. Its adaptability and powerful flame make it a practical addition to any kitchen, workshop, or outdoor adventure.